Click on View Video to start playing the actual YouTube video. You will watch it for 30 seconds and you will get point for each video, which you can change for real money directly to PayPal or any other payment you prefer. You watch YouTube videos every day, right? But why not get paid for doing that? Get paid for doing something you already do every single day. It's working worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are watching it from. You sign up for free and make money without investing any. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you want to see how make money from watching YouTube videos. Don't worry, no offers, no Captcha, no skills, not affiliate marketing. It's a unique way to make money online. All you have to do is to watch YouTube videos and get points, and you exchange the points for real money. Let's get started. This is gonna be the main platform, the website that allow us watching YouTube videos and get point, which we can then exchange for real money. But don't click off, because this is not gonna be the only platform we gonna be using. There gonna be one thing you must do in order to exchange those point for real money. I will explain everything, just stick with me and I will show all the steps that you need to take in order to make money just by watching YouTube videos. This is AddMeFast.com platform. This is just another social media engagement exchange marketplace. Which means you can exchange YouTube views, YouTube likes, Facebook follows, Facebook likes and all that stuffs. And you will see exactly how that will make you money just by watching YouTube videos. Don't worry, you don't need to have branded YouTube channel, YouTube subscribers. You can create YouTube channel with no subs, views and no picture. You will still be able to make money just by watching YouTube videos, and of course you don't have to post any YouTube videos on YouTube channel. So, don't get confused by that. Click on Try Free for now. A page will show up. You will have to input your registered email addresses and a unique password and click on Sign Up. Just by doing that, they will send you a confirmation email. You will open your email and it gonna look like this. Click to confirm and you be able to log into your account. Let quickly log into mine to see how it look like. This is how it look like. Anybody like me, and you can over to AddMeFast, sign up and leave engagement to other people. We can leave Facebook likes, Twitter followers, TikTok followers and so on, but you are not here to collect Facebook likes or followers. You are to watch YouTube videos and make money on that, right? And that is exactly what we going to be doing. Click on YouTube views, right here, that gonna show view this video for 30 seconds and get points. So all you need to do is to click on view video, right here. You need to watch it for 30 seconds. And as soon as it is done watching, your points gonna update right here. You first need to verify I am not a robot. And click submit. Now, I can do again and I gonna get some points for watching this video. And now I can exchange those points for Facebook likes, Facebook share, Facebook followers, Instagram followers and so on. So all this point I collect by watching YouTube videos. I can exchange for engagement on other social media platforms. And you will see exactly how that will make you money. By the way, they also have a real nice referrals program at your right hand side. This is your referral link. You can share it to earn points. And here you can also have daily bonus. You can get 400 and more bonus points every single day just by be active on this platform. Once again, once you collect those points, what you need to do is you will just go over to PlayerUp.com. This is also a marketplace. We trade, sell social media account, and social media engagement. Scroll all the way down. You will see a category name all other games/marketplace right here. Click on that. Click on letter F. Now, find Facebook. Click on it. And you can see it, we can buy and sell. In this video, We are focusing on Facebook likes. You gonna be able to see people are selling 200 Facebook likes for $10. So just by watching those videos on AddMeFast, you can get point which you can then exchange for Facebook likes, which you can sell for quite a lot of money. So, if you are selling 200 Facebook likes for $10, that means you sell 1000 Facebook likes for $50. How will that actually works? You just come to PlayerUp.com, sign up, and you will post listing, and someone will pay you directly to your PayPal account. For example, $50 for 1000 likes. And they will give you their Facebook page URL and post. Let's go to Facebook to show you how that actually work. Go to the post. Copy the URL. Go to AddMeFast.com. Click Add Site/Page. Select type to be Facebook likes. Worldwide. Put any title. Paste page URL. Select how many point you want to give per like. And click Save Changes. And that's it. You can do it again and again and again. To earn more money just by watching YouTube videos. Once again, to summarize, watch YouTube video for 30 seconds. And earn points, which you can exchange in PlayerUp.com. And make real money. I hope you gain value out of this video. Please do subscribe and like this video. More amazing content uploading soon. Don't miss out, subscribe and get your hands on the latest trends before others. Thanks for watching.